This week's Superintendent Spotlight highlights the Montclair Public Schools' new and non-tenured teacher orientation. This week, Superintendent Ruth B. Turner welcomed back our teachers and set the tone with her motto, Reconnecting, Rebuilding, Reimagining, Centering Students, Strengthening Community. She inspired staff to believe in their students and the power they have to change lives. Teachers also heard from union leadership and department directors, equipping them with the tools, support, and encouragement they need as they begin their journey. Together, we're building a strong start for the year ahead.
Education absolutely transformed and changed my life, right? And I also understand the tale of two teachers, because I've experienced them both, right? That teaching has the power to transform our life both for good and also in a negative way, right? If you've ever had a teacher who doubted your ability, I know I have in the past, right? You know how lasting that impression can have on you. But if you ever had a teacher who made you feel like you were a superstar, and I've had that too, right? And those individuals could really change the direction of your life. That is my experience. That's why I'm so passionate about education. I'm so passionate about making sure we're connecting with our students. I know there's a lot of pressure. There's assessments, there's tests, there's evaluations. All that stuff is real in the world that we live in our profession. But if you keep students at the center of all that, you're going to do okay, right? So I just got a few things that I want to share with you. One thing that we are supposed to be a restorative district. So one of the things that I encourage you to always do is take a few minutes and connect with your students and connect with your staff. So we're going to practice that together, because I always do a connection before we meet.